Box cover, this is Dutty Berry and welcome to another social media countdown. So let's get right into it. Number 10, Rain Seville's Sweet Escape. So recently, dancehall chica Rain Seville released her brand new music video and single for Sweet Escape. Check it out.
Supposed to be my sweet escape, but you're trying to ruin my life, wanna ruin my life. And you were supposed to be my sweet escape, supposed to be my sweet escape, but you wanna ruin my life, trying to ruin my life.
Number 9, GullyBop begs Obama. Box cover, so Mr. Bob do an interview with, me really know who she be, but him do an interview with somebody, and him end up a plead, a beseech, a beg, urging the powers that be at the great USA of America to free, release, and welcome back him wifey, Miss Chin.
I beg the world, I beg everybody in the world to give Miss Chin a strength. And I beg Obama, you know.
Miss Chin is lovable, GullyBop.
Yeah, and she's very nice.
Yeah, she's a very
so,
lovable person.
I want to ask the government in America what me do right now. Just forgive her for anything what she do in America. Anything she do, because she never kill nobody in America. You understand?
Lesson time! Here on pronounce Obama. Gully, say Obama.
Obama.
No. Obama. Obama, say.
Obama, you know.
No man, it's sad, more and cry. But differently still, you should have in a USA shirt if you really want to suck up. No, that kind of sound like a way still. But then again, you have to come for do it. Number 8, man, run from crab. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay. So this brother, me don't hard know what the box foot him coulda do for deserve them sort of cruelty-ness, yeah. Never hear so much BBC in my life. Genuine fear in a man. My God. Why? Oh God. Oh God. So when you're enough, I make black people know your weakness and them something I reach you. At least you know say you will never catch crabs. You say all the brother there, him can never ever butt up none of him friend them, you know. Yo, punk, you think me afraid of you? What you just said? Why? Number 7, Hot Up. So people, there's a new dance name, Hot Up, or something like so. To the song, yeah. And from what day, the girl them just take it to a next level and a deep fry them crutches. I mean, oh gosh man. Not because of some of that means you can't keep a cold front. And then again, some of them man, they love them food warm up. So at a particular dance, the selector so happen to convince the girl them fit out the fire with up on the ground with them crutches. Them. No sir, this is Artwork 3.0. And then the inevitable happen. This one when they get chicken feeding.
People never see this yet.
Number 6, Drop Off a Fence. So this song strikes again. It are making the girl them dash out like it a help charity. So them two girl are at up and one of them decides that she want for under one special buzz and run take up for herself to climb up on the bamboo fence. Like my girl Ed just take her and suddenly she feels that she a Spider-Man. Oh God. Manala, you play it off good like you used to practice for drop. To ensure her put her foot on that piece of bamboo, the bamboo just say, how you know about pressure. And now check out the random video of the week. And this week it is my brand new spanking parody, Lotion, featuring nice good out of body, Camille Davis. Check it out.
Picnic, we're just done for. But no must start for teacher for do the whip. Yeah. Keep your body firm so you do not slip. Stacy. Me look down and see your pedicure. Me did I feel make you know you
need lotion.
You need lotion.
Number 5, fans blast Spice. Spice apparently brought one little pitney on the stage for dag out one grown woman to our song So Me Like It. And the video was posted online and the fans them were not having it a box foot. Honestly, I never expect this from Spice because I know that she's a family and all them something there. But then again, I could just be referring to Grace Hamilton because that Spice really loved the little and the little excitement. And the funny thing is that that same crowd would have never allow one little 9-year-old girl go up and one big tough ass steering 40-year-old man go up on it and wind up on her. No, not a box foot. Number 4, the Alka drop. No man people, it are quite understandable if you don't like a particular artist, but sometimes you just go a little bit too overboard. Why not do Alkaline so when you post a picture here? And come and talk and say all of this could have been prevented with just one condom. That's what the picture, you know. It must have one art. It might not have the white thing in the eyeball, but I'm sure there's an art there. I know as if one little drama wasn't good enough for Alkaline. Alkaline was on a stage recently at perform, and out of nowhere this thirsty crazy fan just rushed down up on the stage and push him off. I guess she was hard just trying to move mountains. Number 3, BuzzFeed be like. Popular entertainment website BuzzFeed posted an article this week called 27 Jamaican recipes that you need in your life. And trust me people, oh my god, it was so far from authentic. One big set of bootleg pictures that they put up on that site. Man think of be a jerk chicken. I would a jerk in that day. Jamaican rundown. You ever see rundown look the color there? And now look for what the people them call curry goat. That look like some stew chicken or something like that. So then when Jamaican people then pre the article, in usual Caribbean style, we just had to retaliate. And we retaliate by using comedy. So we created our own hashtag called BuzzFeed be like, poking fun on the article's attempt to be authentically Jamaican. Number 2, cop shot. If you never know, this week a man was caught attempting to rob somebody at one bank. And then the security guard them pounced on the scene and catch the rake and catch the rag one, pull him one side, shot him, and then call the police them, the popo for come on the scene. And in the end, all they come for the find out said the man who them think was just a dirty stinking robber was actually a police officer.
Yeah, don't shoot him again, you have him. You have him, don't shoot him again.
You tell me now, sad day in the JCF.
Yeah, same face style. Watch me, let me catch your face there.
And the number 1 video goes to FootaHype Styles girl. Whoa, yeah. I don't sure if it's something we should be sharing, but yeah. Jano Foota, you never have to do like a girl, yeah, so. You do her bad.
Remember, watch TV here and say, to help this child, send donation to 16775433221. We access split rise.
She never deserved it. Like Kevin Hart, she wasn't ready.
Listen, I shop here. Come here. Authorize, brother.
Oh God.
Cheap on a coming. You eat off peppers?
Yeah, it's everything.
The man just had done her so. And she just stand up so. My girl shame, you know, but she can't leave. She not left because she hungry. What really hurt me, you know, is that she actually look like she need the food. And like I said, just play a joke. It a come from one place. Accuracy.
Never saw you on this fire. You see, after today, your life are going to change. Give me 3 subjects, and then the deer and everything place.
But then again, what she take up herself at 17 and got them type of dance for? Good girl, goody. Good girl, goody, hey.
You alright? Where be my bride?
So in the end, him just cuss her and just send the girl one side off of the stage show, right in front of everybody with the scandal bag, make sure I walk through the crowd. Big walk of shame.
So from today in your ribs, you move your blood.
Lad, thank you. Thank you saying never put FootaHype in charge of Ray of Hope. Because I can't imagine how half of Jamaica would get scandal. Shame. What a disgrace. If I were you, I'd bag my face. Like literally, she could have bagged her face, but can give her a scandal bag. But different is still FootaHype. Could have just call her one side and give her the little pocket money and the little groceries them. We don't nobody I see. Well, that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching this week's social media countdown. Make sure that you like it, comment, you share, and you subscribe. Alright? Yeah, and big up Team Jamaica. Whoop, whoop.